Okay, so this was my day 2 look. As y'all can see, I was giving 70s vibes, yes. But we actually ended up getting on the strip this day. We got to see majority of the strip. The main places that we did see was the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. As you can see, it was really nice. We was walking down past all the, high-end stores. Yes. And then we ended up going to the Garden Room, I believe it's called. I'm not exactly sure, cannot remember, but it was super nice in there. After we hit the strip, we ended up going to the dispensary, Planet 13. It's like one of the biggest ones they had out there in Vegas. It kind of reminded me of Whole Foods, just for, ganja. And then after that, we went to Crunchies and got some Korean hot dogs. It was fire. And as you can see, I'm showing my outfit for that night because we ended up going to see Silk Sonic. We're back on the strip. And then you see the wind was crazy out there, girl. Like, that shit was powerful. And then this was the last video I got before they locked our phones, because when you go to see Silk Sonic, they have phones locked, but just witness this greatness. Smoking out the window of the Benzo. And as you can see, I was still in awe from the show. It was just chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. So day 3 was a chill day. We just kind of chilled at the pool most of the day, or morning I should say. That's me looking cute or whatever. I had to show off my little bathing suit. But yeah, we just basically chilled in the morning at the Airbnb. I'm just soaking in the sun, as you can see, and just getting my whole life in this pool, honestly, like, yes. So then after that, we went to the Venetian, back on the strip to spa day, have food, and then we ended up stopping at this tiki bar. As you can see, it was very sensual, but in a good, positive way. And this was a picture that the magician took at the bar that was playing a magic trick for us, but then my life became a whole joke after this picture was taken, because I swear to God, once you watch this next clip, you will see why. Hey guys, okay, here to give you a quick update. So I actually had a flight booked to be gone out of Vegas yesterday. It was a late flight, but obviously once I get to the airport, shit goes left, and now I was stuck in Vegas for extra, I won't say a day because there's only a couple more hours until my next flight will be available. I was not planning on actually coming to Vegas this weekend, so the fact that I was able to make it, I'm like, okay, dope. But it was a last minute thing, so I had to kind of go with what was available. That's why, but yeah, we see where we're at. But I will not complain, because you know what? That gave me an extra day in Vegas. Now, I did say during the weekend, I don't want to leave, so I think I manifested that. So I guess they were like, okay, you don't want to leave? We ain't gonna let you leave then. I'm like, oh, but I was just kidding. That's the thing. But now that I got some sleep, at least, I feel a little better. I feel a little rejuvenated. I didn't want to vlog too much of the weekend because I just want to enjoy my time. You know what I mean? But I was thinking, just in case I go back to Atlanta and say, you know what? I should have vlogged. I wanted to have some footage. So I ended up staying an extra couple hours in Vegas, but I do have to leave now because my flight is getting ready to eventually board in the next 2 hours. So I want to at least get to the airport, 2 hours prior, especially because now I know who's all going to be on this flight. So I'm like, now that I have an idea who's all going to be on this flight, let me go ahead and get started, okay, period. So, on behalf of, our flight being delayed, they gave us a hotel voucher and as well as a meal voucher. So they let us choose which hotel to stay at. They gave us like 4 options, I think, or something like that. So that was nice. I mean, if y'all are gonna be delayed, then I guess giving us that option, it works. I'll take it. I'm not complaining. Plus, because again, I'm in Vegas, so I don't want to complain too much. You feel me? So that's what I'm on this morning. I've been trying to remain positive. Obviously, I was jet lagged the entire weekend. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can. That's why I keep talking. But I'm trying to also get some parts in real quick for y'all. That could be possibly entertaining as well. I should have took a video of how my hotel looked when I first came in last night, but I was so tired. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning by the time I got here. So I was just like, we're gonna have to work with what we got. Excuse the bed again. I just woke up. So I'm just gonna start from the door and then work our way through, just so you have an idea. Let me also turn these lights on so you guys can see it fully. Okay, that's not too bad. We can work with that. Let's go ahead and do the tour real quick. Tour of the hotel room. Again, it was I think it's a king, yeah, 1 king bed size suite, I believe. I can't remember what exactly the name of the suite is called. They literally sent me the voucher and I just pulled up and, and said, yeah, let me get that room. I do not care. Just put me in something I can lay down. Like, I was so done. But yes, that is the tour. I'm gonna start heading down to the airport now. I'm gonna see if I can possibly get some more footage of the airport. Let's go ahead and head on out. It's been real Vegas. Again, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I vlogged, but I decided, you know what, I'm doing something cute and fun tonight, so let y'all watch the process of getting ready with me. So today is Saturday. I think this is what's today's date? The 21st? Yeah, May 21st. So we're gonna head down to the AMC Theater to watch Doctor Strange, the new Doctor Strange that just came out. Me and my friend Daisy, y'all met her before on my channel, and I have a new friend named Zan that went along with us, the Nurture Ambassadors. We try to do something fun every month, so this month we decided to go see Doctor Strange, and we're all gonna head down there in like another hour or two. Just decided why not, you know, let y'all get ready with me as I'm getting ready to go. So far I've took my shower and I just got dressed, so I'm about to go ahead and do my makeup and hair. And I also need you guys' help on which hair I should bring, because I have two new, well, not new, but well, one of them is new, but the other one is old. Y'all seen that wig before. But I'm still contemplating between both of them because they're both blonde colors, because you know it's May, still spring. So I was like, let me bring my blonde back out. So I'm still deciding between my long blonde and I have a short blonde that I want to see if you guys would be messing with, or once I try it on after I get done with makeup and stuff, see how I'm feeling it. I'm gonna stop rambling so we can go ahead and get everything done so we can get there in time. Let's get into it. I decided to go with the short wig because you know it's starting to become summertime, and I got second opinions from the fam and they said they was feeling this one, so I think I'm gonna go with this one tonight. You know that feeling when you put on a new wig and just have you acting different? That's the vibe I got when I put this on. So I said we got to wear her out and just get a vibe. You know what I'm saying? A little curl at the top just to give it a little more texture because I just didn't like how it first originally came. It came more like a swoop kind of cut, like kind of Justin Bieber circa 2000, what he came out, what, 2009, 2008, something like that. Like it was giving very much that, and I was like, I'm not feeling it like that. So I gave her a little curls at the top just to kind of give her a little more texture, just playing with this one in the middle till I kind of could get it where I need it to lay. But I'm pretty sure it'll come through. I'm feeling it though. I like this vibe. It's giving very much like 90s. Y'all know I love that era, so I was looking here this whole time instead of looking there, but it's cool. It's whatever. I'm excited. Let me have it. Okay. So I'm about to go ahead and snap some pics and videos and stuff and then start heading down because it's getting close to, you know, showtime. So I'll see y'all soon. Make sure you follow your girl on Instagram if y'all want to see some more of these videos and a little more pics and flicks of this horror. Okay. Period. I don't know if y'all want me to do a review on this wig. We'll see, because I want to wear it out first and give a true review, you feel me? So I might hit y'all with a review, you never know. But I'm feeling her. I'm really feeling her right now. I've never done a short style like this. Yeah, so we're gonna get into it. Period.
Reasonable.
Nailed it.
Hey guys, I just got back from the theater maybe like 30 minutes to an hour ago from seeing DR.STRANGE. It was really good. There were some moments where some highs and lows. It had us going through all the motions, but for the most part, it was really good. I enjoyed it, but I just wanted to quickly do an outro because I almost forgot to film one. As you can see, I was already about to get comfortable. I already have my bonnet and my little PJs on. Like I always say, stay chill. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I would truly appreciate it. Also, make sure you click that bell because why wouldn't you? Period. Until I see you guys again on any given Sunday. Bye.